Welcome back to the channel. On today's video we're going to cover off making a curtain that goes over the sliding side door of the van. I've already put in these 3 bolts, which I've used a riv nut tool to mount them before I put the carpet on. Now what I need to do is make 3 holes in this to line it up, and it will come over to about here and then come all the way back over to the far side here. The idea is that we're going to be able to pull the curtain back this way. There will be a bit of Velcro up here just to hold this in, and it will hold it in tight, which will enable us to then seal over the side of the door. I've now made the corresponding holes and then countersunk them so they can now be mounted into place like so. Now got it held in place, got the 3 bolts lined up and carpeted it. Next we need to get the rail, hang it underneath, cut to length. It will just overrun here, which is quite nice, right to the end, and just going to cut it on the end here. There we go, we've attached the curtain rail underneath the beam to enable us to temporarily hang the curtain. It works quite nicely. Now off to IKEA to go and get some better curtains. So back from IKEA, we managed to find a nice curtain that works. It's a grey blue on the outside and black out on the inside. It's called, and I can't pronounce this properly, but it says Bingita, so Bingit. Just hold it up to the camera so you can see it. There we go. Nice and cheap, only £10 a time. So we've got 3 of them, one for the back, one for the front, and one for the side door, as you can see, and it works lovely. There we go. One side curtain finished. Thank you for watching. Hope you found the video useful. If you did enjoy it, please do hit the like button, and if you are new here, don't forget the subscribe button and the notification bell here when the next video goes live. See you in the next video.